Hello, amazing souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the incredible world of manifestation. We're going to unlock the secrets of visualization, the key to manifesting your dreams faster than ever before. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button so that we stay motivated to share the best content. This is a quick shout out to a fantastic new channel called Neville Goddard that's all about manifesting and creating your dream life. If you're into manifesting abundance and positive vibes, you've got to check them out. Click the link in the description to subscribe and join the manifestation journey. Let's support each other on this path to greatness. All right, let's kick things off by understanding why visualization is such a game changer in the manifestation process. Our minds are powerful beyond measure, and visualization taps into the immense potential of our subconscious minds. When you vividly imagine your goals, your mind can't distinguish between imagination and reality. This tricks your subconscious into believing that your dreams are already coming true. As a result, you begin to align your actions and energy with the future you envision, making it more likely to materialize. Now, before we dive into the correct techniques, let's address some common mistakes people make when visualizing. It's crucial to recognize and overcome these stumbling blocks to supercharge your manifestation journey. One common mistake is going through the motions without truly feeling the experience. Visualization is not just about seeing. It's about feeling the emotions associated with your desires. If you're manifesting wealth, feel the excitement of financial abundance. If it's love, bask in the warmth of companionship. Consistency is key in any transformative process. Many people start with enthusiasm, but gradually lose momentum. Think of visualization like a mental workout. The more consistently you practice, the stronger your manifestation muscles become. Another stumbling block is doubt. If deep down, you don't believe in the possibility of your dreams, your subconscious mind picks up on this uncertainty. It's essential to cultivate unwavering faith in the manifestation process and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Now let's get to the juicy part: how to visualize correctly to turbocharge your manifestation journey. These techniques have been proven to amplify the manifestation process and connect you with the power of your subconscious mind. Begin by gaining crystal clear clarity on your desires. The more specific and detailed you can be, the better. Imagine you're the director of a movie, crafting every scene with precision. The more vividly you can see it, the more powerful the impact on your subconscious. Don't limit your visualization to sight alone. Engage all your senses: touch, smell, taste, and sound. Let's say you're manifesting a beach vacation. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, taste the salt in the air, hear the gentle waves, and smell the ocean breeze. The more senses involved, the more real it becomes to your subconscious mind. A vision board is a tangible representation of your goals and desires. It's a powerful tool that combines visualization and affirmation. Collect images, quotes, and symbols that resonate with your aspirations and create a visually appealing board. Place it somewhere you can see it daily to reinforce your intentions. Gratitude is the secret sauce in the manifestation recipe. Before diving into your visualization, take a moment to express gratitude for what you already have. This positive energy sets the stage for a receptive and abundant mindset, amplifying the effectiveness of your visualization. Craft powerful affirmations in the present tense, as if your desires have already manifested. For example, I am attracting abundance into my life effortlessly. Repeat these affirmations during your visualization, embedding them deeply into your subconscious mind. As we delve deeper into the art of visualization, it's essential to address the challenges that might arise along the way. Life is full of ups and downs, and staying committed to your practice can be a hurdle. Let's explore how to overcome these challenges and keep the manifestation flame burning bright. Patience is a virtue, they say, and in the world of manifestation, it's no different. Sometimes we get caught up in the when and how of our desires manifesting. It's crucial to trust the timing of the universe. Your job is to visualize, believe, and let go. The universe like weeds in the garden of manifestation. They can quickly overshadow your positive visualizations. When these thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and gently redirect your focus to your desired outcome. Remember, you are in control of your thoughts. As you evolve, so do your goals. It's perfectly normal for your desires to shift and change. Be flexible in your visualization practice. If your goals undergo transformation, allow your visualizations to reflect these changes. This adaptability ensures that you are always aligned with your true desires. Are you ready to take your visualization game to the next level? Let's explore some advanced techniques that can supercharge your manifestation abilities. These techniques tap into the deepest recesses of your subconscious mind, unlocking even greater potential. Imagine a version of yourself in a parallel reality where all your dreams have come true. This technique involves visualizing this alternate, successful version of yourself. By merging your current reality with this powerful visualization, you bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Think of your life as a movie script, and you're the author. Dynamic scripting involves not only visualizing, but also narrating your desired outcomes in intricate detail. Write a script for your ideal day, week, or even year. The more detailed and vivid your script, the more potent its impact on your subconscious. Combine the power of meditation with visualization for a potent manifestation cocktail. Practice mindfulness meditation to quiet the chatter of your mind, and then immerse yourself in your visualizations. The stillness of your mind during meditation enhances the receptivity of your subconscious to your desires. Before we conclude, let's address some frequently asked questions about visualization and manifestation. We've gathered these from your comments and messages, so keep those questions coming. Remember, there are no silly questions on this journey. There's no one-size-fits-all answer to this. The key is consistency. Whether it's 5 minutes or 30, what matters most is that you make visualization a daily practice. Find a duration that feels right for you and stick to it. Absolutely. Our minds are incredibly versatile. You can visualize multiple goals simultaneously, as long as you maintain clarity and focus. Consider creating separate sessions for each goal or weave them into a cohesive narrative during your practice. Sometimes it takes time for the mind to catch up with the imagination. If your visualizations don't feel real initially, persist. The more you practice, the more vivid and authentic they will become. Trust the process and enjoy the journey. As we journey further into the realms of manifestation, it's crucial to understand the role of energy and vibrations. Everything in the universe is energy, including your thoughts. When you visualize, you emit a powerful frequency that resonates with the energy around you. Let's explore how to harness this energy to amplify your manifestations. Before you begin your visualization, take a few moments to center yourself. Connect with your breath, allowing it to flow naturally. Feel the energy within you and visualize it aligning with the universal energy. This alignment creates a harmonious vibration, signaling to the universe that you are ready to receive. Emotions are the language of the universe. As you visualize, infuse your emotions into your thoughts. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if your desires have already manifested. These positive emotions amplify the vibrations you emit, attracting similar energy from the universe. Activities like meditation, gratitude practice, and spending time in nature can elevate your vibrational frequency. The higher your frequency, the more effortlessly you attract positive experiences into your life. Incorporate these activities into your daily routine to maintain. Manifestors encounter challenges along the way. Let's troubleshoot some common issues you might face during your visualization practice and explore strategies to overcome them. In our fast-paced lives, distractions are inevitable. If you find your mind wandering during visualization, don't be too hard on yourself. Gently bring your focus back to your desired outcome. Consider creating a dedicated space and time for your practice to minimize external disturbances. Skepticism can be a manifestation buzzkill. If you're struggling with doubts, start small. Choose something relatively easy to believe in and visualize its manifestation. As you witness smaller manifestations, your belief in the process will grow, making it easier to tackle larger goals. Life is dynamic, and circumstances may change. If your goals or circumstances evolve, adapt your visualizations accordingly. This flexibility ensures that you're always in alignment with your true desires, even as the external world shifts. To truly master the art of visualization, it's essential to integrate it seamlessly into your daily life. Let's explore practical tips to make visualization a natural and effortless part of your routine. Start your day with a powerful morning ritual. Set aside a few minutes to visualize your day unfolding exactly as you desire. Picture yourself navigating challenges with ease and attracting positive experiences. This sets a positive tone for the entire day. Your mind is most receptive just before sleep. Utilize this precious time by visualizing your goals. As you drift off, your subconscious continues to work on these images, reinforcing the connection between your desires and reality. Craft short, powerful affirmations related to your visualizations. Repeat these affirmations throughout the day, anchoring the images in your mind. This constant reinforcement keeps your goals at the forefront of your consciousness. Ever wondered about the science behind visualization? Let's explore how this seemingly mystical practice aligns with scientific principles, making it a potent tool for personal transformation. Our brains possess a remarkable ability known as neuroplasticity. This means that the brain can reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. Visualization activates the same neural pathways as actual experiences, rewiring your brain to align with your desired reality. The reticular activating system acts as a filter for the vast amount of information our brains receive. By consistently visualizing your goals, you program the RAS to notice opportunities and resources that align with your desires, bringing them to your conscious awareness. Quantum physics suggests that the observer influences the observed. In the realm of manifestation, your focused observation and intention during visualization may influence the quantum field, paving the way for the materialization of your desires. Embarking on a manifestation journey is incredible, but doing it with a community elevates the experience. Consider creating or joining a visualization community where like-minded individuals share their experiences, challenges, and successes. The collective energy of such a community can amplify your manifestations. You must watch our latest video on the topic. This magical mantra from Jesus himself. Just repeat it. In this video, we explore the profound teachings of Dr. Ernest Holmes and the law of attraction. Get ready to elevate your self-improvement journey with a magical mantra directly from the wisdom of Jesus himself. Click on the I button on the top right corner of the video for the link. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their journey. As we approach the end of this profound exploration of visualization and manifestation, we want you to remember that you have the power to shape your reality. Visualization is a dynamic tool that transcends the boundaries of the mind and taps into the limitless possibilities of the universe. Thank you for joining us today. If you've resonated with this video, share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's create a space for shared wisdom and inspiration. Until next time, keep visualizing, stay positive, and manifest your best life. We are signing off.